What's up, guys? Sergio here with Sixtos Elite. Thank you for coming back to me. Thank you for wanting to get more notifications on more how-tos on how to make money online, even possibly quit your job if that's what you're planning to do. So, what I did was I was a school teacher for 5 years, and my last year of teaching, August of 2020, that's when I first got into my classroom for my final year. I found out how to do affiliate marketing. So, promoting other people's products online, it was an attractive thing to me because I did not need to deal with any products. I did not need to deal with any inventory. My only task was to promote someone else's product. I set up the tools, and I'm going to explain more about that here and how you can do that yourself. But my main task was simply promote a product online. That was it. It was very hands off, and I could do it 1 to 2 hours per day while working full time. And I'm going to show you one of the best systems that you can put into place and how you can sign up for that. And if you stick with me to the very end of this video, I'll even show you how you can work with me one-on-one on a one-on-one private mentorship. So stick through to the end of this video, but for now, I'm going to explain to you the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge 2.0 with my friend, my partner, Jonathan Montoya, because a lot of people are wanting to know how to break into this affiliate marketing scene so they can make extra income online. And if their why is so much powerful, it could lead them to leave their jobs, which I've seen many people do. I got to do it myself. It's been amazing. I'm recording from this little room now, and my kid is over there in the living room having fun, having the time of his life watching Paw Patrol, and my wife is in the room on the other side of that working at her job. So let's get to it now. If you guys do not know what Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 is, I'm going to show that to you right now. And I'm just going to move myself out of the way. So, this is basically a 3-step system. There are so many places out there that will teach you how to set up affiliate marketing, but this to me is the most simple, step-by-step, straightforward way. There is no fluff. There is no wasting time. It's literally introducing you to a 3-step system, and this is how it goes. If you guys have not met him, this is Jonathan Montoya right here. And again, I will leave the link down below this video so you can actually get access and find out more about it. This is a little brief video explaining more, but this is basically it. Jonathan Montoya was a engineer, an electrical engineer. He would make $80,000 a year, but like himself, like me, working endless hours, not spending enough time with family, not spending enough time with kids or the wife. In this case, I don't know your situation. It may be because you just want more time to focus on school, or you just want to go travel, whatever it may be. This system of affiliate marketing can be set up in 3 steps, and it can be done in only 3 days. If you are focused enough, if you are determined enough, you can literally set this up in 3 days with 1 hour each day. And this is it. On day 1, you learn exactly what affiliate marketing is right here and why it's literally the best model for creating an online business. I'll tell you from my own experience, it's very, very low risk. It's very, very high reward. Like I said, you don't need to deal with inventory. You don't need to deal with any products. You're just creating content. Now, this is the part that gets, this is the part right here that really pulls me in, because the technical setup of affiliate marketing can be a little bit tricky. You have to work with funnels. You have to work with email marketing so you can actually build your email list and do this successfully for the long term, which a lot of affiliate programs, they will not teach you how to do this step by step. But on day 2, you actually learn how to do it in 30 minutes. You learn how to find the product, you learn how to build out your email sequence and even set it up in a funnel or a lookalike website. And that's just day 2. That is where many people, in my experience, struggle. They don't know the technical setup of it. They don't know how to do it, but it's taught step by step right here on day 2. On day 3, which is one of my personal favorites, it's all about traffic. It's something that people, beginners, even experienced affiliate marketers struggle with. And it's getting the right eyeballs on your offers, the right people to look at the products you're promoting. And it's taught here on day 3. This right here is worth thousands. This is what can make or break a business. If you're not bringing in people to the offers that you're promoting, your business is not going to thrive. And it's literally taught right here on day 3. For all of this, I mean, you can get all of this for $7. $7 alone. I mean, it's this right here, this day 3 is worth thousands to me. Day 2, setting up this business right here is worth thousands to me, because I've actually done this same setup on day 2 for businesses and literally charged thousands for it. And you get to learn this whole system for $7. It is one of the best business models, like I said, with low risk. And on top of that, you get bonuses. You get a 6-figure affiliate funnel. So you get a funnel that's done for you so you can actually make it your own. You get an ebook that contains some of the top affiliate programs, some of the other skills, the extra softwares that you can use to be successful in this, and some secret emails, some email swipes that can bring in more sales. I mean, it's all right here in one package for $7. You can do it in 3 days. I'll even show you what it looks like once you log in. This is what it looks like. Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, the affiliate stacking system. Once you log in, there are gonna be a lot of modules. For the $7, this is the one you get. Day 1, day 2, day 3. And it's a 54-minute video. That's 1 hour of your day. 1 hour of your day that you could learn this system from A to Z, pretty much to get it up and running. Day 2, like I say, you can get it all set up in 30 minutes or less. Day 3 is how to bring in customers, how to bring in traffic. On top of that, you can even become an affiliate, but I will make another video explaining that later. This is the bonus. You can get a white label funnel and the ebook. There are tons of resources you get for simply the $7, and you get to join a private Facebook group where you join a big positive community of like-minded people who want the same goal. It's pretty much to build an online business, break away from the 9-to-5 cycle. And you learn how to do that with $7. Now, for those of you who actually want to go above and beyond and you want to scale faster, this is an opportunity for you. Because on top of learning the 3-day system, there is a way to take you from A to Z where you will not have to pay for any other training. And that's what you see here with all these other modules. So I'm going to explain them here. It's with the Freedom Breakthrough Program. After day 3, you'll be offered an invite to join the Freedom Breakthrough Program. If you unlock it now, there'll be a little webinar. And there are different modules. There are many testimonials of people who have gone through the same thing and have skyrocketed their online business. This is for the people who just want to break through fast. They want to break through that limit and earn their first $1,000 right away, or earn their first $10,000. I mean, it's possible. There are tons of testimonials here. It's truly possible. And you get a bunch of modules. So that is the offer, that is the invite after day 3 for the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. And I will make another video explaining more in depth about that as well. But if you ever decide that you want to have a one-on-one mentorship with me, this is the way to go. I offer my one-on-one mentorship for anyone that decides to go through the Freedom Breakthrough Program. It's my one-on-one mentorship for 30 days. We have some one-on-one sit-downs. You have contact with me with email and text, whatever it may be, whatever your best and favorite method is. And I will help you set up your business. I will help you strategize so you can get the results that you want a lot faster. I've personally helped new entrepreneurs on my journey. I've done this for over a year. I've helped new entrepreneurs make their first 1,000. Some of them have gone on to quit their 9-to-5s. For those of you who want to get the results faster and you want my one-on-one, check out the Freedom Breakthrough Program. I'm going to leave a direct link to that one down below this video as well. But for those of you who simply want just the introduction, you can get it for $7 right here. And again, I will be making another video about the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Program and how I've had a lot of success with that, as well as a review over the Freedom Breakthrough Program itself. And it will explain a lot more about these different bonuses. So stay tuned for that next video. If you want to check out the Business Breakthrough Challenge 2.0, I'll leave a link down below this video. If you want to get a one-on-one mentorship with me, I will leave a link for the Freedom Breakthrough Program as well. So if you've liked this video, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do that as well. And I hope to see you on the next one.